Welcome to IQD Dinar News, your go-to source for the latest updates on currency exchange rates, revaluation news, and insights into the Iraqi dinar. Stay informed and ahead of the curve with our timely analysis and breaking developments. The paragraph describes the movement of the exchange rate between the Iraqi dinar, IQD, and the US dollar, USD, in two major cities in Iraq, Baghdad and Erbil. The exchange rate serves as an essential indicator of the economy's health and plays a crucial role in financial stability for individuals, businesses, and the government. Given Iraq's reliance on oil exports for revenue, the exchange rate is highly sensitive to domestic and international economic changes. The details in the original text point toward subtle but notable fluctuations in the value of the Iraqi dinar against the US dollar, reflecting the currency's volatility, which can be attributed to various economic factors. Understanding the exchange rate movements suggests that the value of the Iraqi dinar improved slightly against the US dollar. In practical terms, a lower exchange rate indicates that fewer dinars are required to purchase $1, thus implying that the dinar is stronger relative to the dollar. The decrease in the exchange rate could have several underlying causes. Various economic factors influence these rates, including foreign exchange reserves, government policies, political stability, supply and demand for foreign currency, and external influences like the global oil market. Baghdad's financial exchanges are a barometer for such factors, reflecting how changes in economic conditions directly impact currency valuations. Currency exchange stores in Baghdad further illustrate the practical application of these rates for everyday transactions. In this case, the spread of 2,000 dinars reflects market liquidity, transaction costs, and other risk factors that businesses account for in setting exchange rates. Exchange rates in Erbil, a regional comparison. Erbil, the capital of the Kurdistan region of Iraq, also saw a shift in exchange rates. The selling rate for the dollar reached 152,500 dinars, with the buying rate at 152,400 dinars. The difference in rates between Baghdad and Erbil can be attributed to regional economic conditions, local demand for foreign currency, and the availability of US dollars in the local market. While Baghdad's financial markets might be more liquid and have larger trading volumes, Erbil's economy is more insulated, with influences from both the Iraqi central government and the Kurdistan regional government, KRG. The slightly lower rates in Erbil suggest differences in how the local economy interacts with foreign currency demands, which can be influenced by regional trade, business activities, and the level of dollar inflow. Why do exchange rates fluctuate? Exchange rate fluctuations are common in any economy, particularly in Iraq, which has faced numerous economic challenges over the past few decades. The country's economic landscape is shaped by its reliance on oil revenues, ongoing political instability, and recent changes in monetary policy aimed at stabilizing the currency. These factors often interact in complex ways, leading to frequent shifts in the dinar's value against the dollar. Oil prices and revenue dependence. As an oil-dependent economy, Iraq's foreign exchange earnings are heavily tied to global oil prices. When oil prices are high, Iraq experiences an influx of foreign currency, bolstering its foreign exchange reserves and supporting a stronger dinar. Conversely, when oil prices fall, the government may struggle to maintain currency stability due to reduced revenues. The exchange rates reported could be influenced by recent trends in oil prices and the corresponding impact on the availability of foreign currency in the market. Monetary policy and central bank interventions. The Central Bank of Iraq, CBI, plays a crucial role in managing the exchange rate by regulating the supply of foreign currency. It often intervenes in the market through currency auctions or open market operations to stabilize the dinar. For instance, selling US dollars in exchange for Iraqi dinars can help increase the dinar's value by boosting demand for it. In this context, a slight reduction in the dollar's exchange rate might indicate central bank efforts to shore up the dinar by injecting more US dollars into the market. Political factors and economic uncertainty. Political uncertainty and security concerns can also significantly impact the currency's value. Iraq's political landscape is marked by periodic instability, which can erode investor confidence and lead to capital flight. When political risks escalate, businesses and individuals may seek to hold foreign currency as a safer store of value, driving up demand for dollars and putting downward pressure on the dinar. The latest movements in exchange rates could be reflecting the current political environment and the market's perception of economic risk. Currency supply and market dynamics. The supply of US dollars in the local market is another factor influencing exchange rates. In Iraq, the demand for dollars is substantial due to the preference for dollar-based transactions in international trade, real estate, and savings. The CBI's foreign currency auctions are one method used to supply dollars to the market. When demand exceeds supply, the exchange rate may rise, signaling a weaker dinar. The slight dip in rates as noted in the original paragraph could suggest temporary increase in dollar supply or reduced demand at that particular time. The broader implications for the Iraqi economy. Exchange rate movements have significant implications for the broader economy, affecting inflation, purchasing power, and business activities. A stronger dinar, as seen with the slight decrease in the dollar's rate, can be beneficial in reducing the cost of imported goods, which constitute a large portion of Iraq's consumer goods market. Cheaper imports can help to curb inflation, making everyday items more affordable for the average Iraqi citizen. However, a stronger dinar can also have downsides, particularly for the competitiveness of non-oil exports. While Iraq's non-oil export sector is relatively small compared to its oil exports, a stronger currency could still make it more challenging for local businesses to compete internationally, as their goods would be relatively more expensive in foreign markets. Understanding the role of currency exchange businesses. The paragraph also highlights the role of currency exchange businesses in setting and adjusting rates based on market conditions. Currency exchanges in Baghdad and Erbil have set buying and selling prices with margins that account for market volatility, transaction costs, and risk. These businesses provide a critical service by allowing individuals and companies to convert currencies for various purposes, such as travel, trade, or remittances. The spread between buying and selling rates serves as a buffer against market volatility. When exchange rates fluctuate rapidly, currency exchange businesses must adjust their margins to maintain profitability. The difference observed in the original paragraph shows how currency exchanges manage the risk of holding US dollars and how they set prices that reflect the broader economic environment. Regional differences between Baghdad and Erbil. The differences in exchange rates between Baghdad and Erbil highlight regional economic dynamics within Iraq. Erbil, as the capital of the semi-autonomous Kurdistan region, has a distinct economic environment influenced by different regulatory frameworks and trade patterns. While Baghdad serves as the financial and political center of Iraq, Erbil's economy benefits from cross-border trade with Turkey and other neighboring countries, which can impact the demand for foreign currency. Additionally, the presence of foreign investors and international organizations in the Kurdistan region may affect currency dynamics differently from Baghdad. The closer rates between selling and buying prices in Erbil, as noted in the paragraph, suggest a relatively stable local demand for dollars. This stability could be due to factors like consistent dollar inflows from oil exports and remittances from the Kurdish diaspora abroad. Conclusion: the impact of currency fluctuations on Iraq's economy. To sum up, the original paragraph reflects a minor yet important shift in the exchange rate dynamics between the US dollar and the Iraqi dinar. These changes, while subtle, offer insights into the broader economic picture, where various factors such as oil prices, monetary policy, political stability, and regional economic conditions interact to shape the currency market. The rate movements in Baghdad and Erbil provide valuable information on local market conditions and signal underlying economic trends that could influence future monetary policy and financial stability in Iraq. Thanks for tuning in to IQD Dinar News. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. For more updates on the Iraqi dinar and global currency trends, hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. See you in the next video.